All right, welcome to Wild High Custom Food Trucks again. We're here with a 22-foot kitchen, 6.5 feet tall, 8 feet wide, beautiful food truck that we have here. Inside we have 50-pound fryer here. We have a 75-pound fryer here. We have custom lids that go inside the fryers to keep all the grease in when you're done at night. We have a 48-inch flat top. All the cooking equipment is propane. We have a 24-inch 4-burner here. And we starting with the refrigeration. We have a 48-inch sandwich prep. All the lids, the 16 pans are all here. Double door refrigeration right here. All nice and clean and beautiful. Fire suppression, 12-foot hood system, all in place. 3 LED lights in here. Each one of them are 6 feet long. All right, we've got a 6-foot by 3-foot service window. We've got Bluetooth receiver here, speakers inside and out that are all waterproof to each one of the corners here. This box right here is housing a 42-inch high definition TV here. This right here is operating the awning. That is a 16-foot awning that's outside that shows up there real nice. We've got the beautiful diamond plate floor here. Inside this custom box right here is a 10,000 watt Cummins generator, and basically here's the remote control to fire up the generator. We've got AC and heat right up here at the top right here. Right here, the customers wanted a Worktop Freezer. It's all brand new right here. All that good stuff. And then here to your right, we have a full-size hot holding cabinet. So any of your products that you have here, you'll be able to keep them inside and keep them nice and warm before you're ready to serve your customers. Here we have a 6-foot tall, 27-inch wide refrigerator, full size. It has a lock here to keep all your product nice and safe there. We've got a series of electrical outlets from top to bottom inside the unit. Class K and ABC fire extinguishers. We've got a hot lamp for the French fries and things of that nature to come off of their menu. Inside on the cooking walls, all stainless steel. The ceiling and the other remaining walls are going to be a white metal that turned out real beautiful with white trim to coincide with it. Over to your right, we have your electrical system right there. So all your panels and everything are right there. Lights inside and out. These are your control panels right here for your exhaust that you'll be able to turn on right there, and all that good stuff. Soap and towel dispenser. We have a hand sink, prep sink, 3-compartment sink here. Below here, we want to capture the freshwater tanks. We also have a nice size mop sink in here for mopping out the floor. This is a 12-gallon water heater here, which is plenty for the system that we have in here. Stainless steel shelving, stainless steel tables. It really turned out real beautiful. Welcome back to Mile High Custom Food Trucks. We want to show the beautiful wrap on the 22-foot kitchen truck. Bumper to bumper is 30 feet long. It's got the 10,000 watt generator right here. 2 dual exhausts right here. AC up the top. You have your electric plug in for shore power here for brick and mortar purposes. This is your propane right here. It comes with a 100-pound propane tank. That's right there. Okay. And then you have your beautiful 10,000 watt generator back here. That is right there. Now we'll capture the passenger side, the front and the back. The wrap was done by Ray with 303 Wraps. He did a phenomenal job like he always does. All right, welcome back to Mile High Custom Food Trucks. We're on the passenger side of a 30-foot food truck here. We've got speakers outside. We've got LED lights, 16-foot awning. Service window is 6-foot by 3-foot here. We've got a 42-inch flat screen TV for the menu purposes and things of that nature. We've got fresh water here, gray water here. Everything's been nicely wrapped by 303 Wraps. And we've painted the rims, the bumpers, and everything to make it look nice and clean. It's a beautiful truck. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at info@Mile High Custom Food Trucks. And we'll be more than happy to help you so we can build you a beautiful truck just like this one.